So the MRI demonstrates a likely rotator cuff tear. What does that mean and what do we do about it? At this point, we'll go through the conservative measures, physical therapy, maybe an injection, but that really depends on exactly what's going on and what type of tear we're suspecting. If we do end up talking about surgery, there's a couple things that we need to address. Now, first off, what is a rotator cuff? So basically on this model, the shoulder is a ball and socket joint, although it's not a true ball and socket joint. The ball is on the humerus side or the arm side. The socket is on the shoulder blade side. The rotator cuff runs on top of the ball and socket and normally attaches right in this spot on the humeral head. If this contracts, you can see how that will pull the humerus up or the arm up. Most times with rotator cuff tears, there's either a full or a partial detachment where that rope is no longer connected to the bone and there it's not working. So what we can do from a surgical standpoint is go in with a camera, put it back to where it's supposed to be and connect it to the bone. Generally that connection are with suture anchors, and those kind of look like drywall screws with stitches that go around and tie it back down to the bone in place. Now, sometimes with this, these tears can be caused potentially by bone spurs that develop over time on the undersurface of the bone above it. That's called the acromion. You can see how if this goes up, it can potentially pinch against the bone spur and the rotator cuff. That's something we address at the time of surgery as well. If that bone spur is digging in on the rotator cuff, we go in with a rasp and trim this off so it is no longer pinching.